I've been doing this for 15 years, building men. What I am going to give you with this YouTube channel, you cannot buy this from all the professionals in the world. You will realize this, trust me. I'm not jumping on high horses trying to be something I'm not. I guarantee you guys, if you just listen to me, you will never need a nutritionist ever in your life. You will never need a trainer ever in your life. You will never need a psychologist or a motivator ever in your life. You will never need a physio, chiropractor or some kind of physical therapist in your life. You will never ever in your life need anything else when it comes to your body, health and mindset than me. I guarantee you, you won't even need a doctor until you are damn old and it's your time to go. I have cut through all this bullshit. I have, through my 15 years, done everything that is possible to do in sports, every diets, every nutrition tips, every supplementation. I have had every injury that is possible to have. I have injured from my pinky to my neck. I have had 3 surgeries scheduled that I fixed myself with training, with stretching, with mobility, with fixing my body posture, and I have done it on hundreds of men. What I am going to give you here, this is $1 million value. I am going to repair your body inside out, including your mind. So follow this channel, guys, because I don't do this to get rich. This is for free. I do this to actually teach you everything that I know, because I have to give this knowledge to somebody and I want to give it to you guys. So let's follow, subscribe, send this to every single person you know, including your mom and dad and your little brother that is 7 years old, because every single person can get all the value they need to understand their body and mind and how they should function together from this channel. Let's go get it, guys. Let's build men.